welcome to another video of Alpha PTE. This is Fatima. Hope you all are doing well and hope your preparation is going on well. So in today's video, we are going to talk everything about summarized written text in PTE core. Alright, so summarized written text is the first question type in your writing module, and in this question, in summarized written text, you will have a text up to 200 words and your reading and writing skills are assessed, and you will have 10 minutes to answer that particular question. Now you will have 10 minutes to write a summary, and you need to write a summary of the text which is given to you. You have to make sure that you include the main points of the reading passage and you write it within 25 to 50 words. Okay, so minimum 25 words and maximum 50 words. Now the word count is given at the bottom of the screen, and you can also write more than one sentence in this particular question type. So here you don't need to write in just one sentence as you do in PTE Academic. You can use more than one sentence to write. So you can write it in a single sentence, or you can write it in two sentences. Okay. Now, how this question is scored? This question is scored on the basis of 4 factors. Content, that means is it the summary of the main point in the passage, and it is scored by addressing the key points in the passage. And form, that's the second thing. Form is it having the right number of words? That means are you writing within 25 to 50 words, or are you writing more or less? Then grammar, that means are you using the grammatically correct sentences, or is there an incorrect grammar form in your summary? Vocabulary, is your summary using appropriate vocabulary or not? So you are scored on the basis of these 4 factors. All right, now in PTE core, you have to make sure you're not in PTE core, you have to make sure that you're not making spelling mistakes. You can write either in complete British English or American spellings. You can't mix and match both of them when you're writing a summary. Now, many people get confused with PTE core and PTE Academic summarized written text, but they are different. Both exams have a summarized written text task, but they are different in a few ways. First thing, the length of the summary, the length of the text. So in PTE core, it's around 200 words and less, and then in PTE Academic it's more, it's around 300 words. All right, the text. Now the summary length in PTE core is 25 to 50 words, and in PTE Academic it's 5 to 75 words. Then scoring, you have in PTE core 2 points for writing a summary of 25 to 50 words, 1 point to write a summary of 5 to 24 words or 51 to 60 words, 0 point for writing summary of under 5 words or over 60 words. All right, but in PTE Academic you have like 0 point for writing sentence which is over 75 words or under 5 words, and 0 points for not writing in one sentence. So there's no one sentence rule in PTE core. All right, now after understanding the format and the rules, now it's more important to practice this. The more you practice your summarized written text, the better answer you will have. Here are some pointers to help you get a good score in summarized written text in PTE core. Stick to the rules, whether it is the word limit or grammar or time limit. Make sure you follow the rules. Double check if every sentence is starting with a capital letter and ending with a full stop, and if you are not ending with a full stop, it can count as an incomplete sentence. So always keep these basic rules in mind and stick to them. Practice skimming through the passage and the understanding of the context. Okay, you will have only 10 minutes to read and form a sentence, so make sure you practice your skimming well so you can find the main idea within the time. Find the key argument of the topic, and you can add the second sentence of supporting details. Avoid using examples and avoid using figures, but focus more on content and the supporting sentence. If you are going to form your own summary with your own words, make sure you're writing a mix of simple as well as complex sentences to convey your ideas much more effectively and in a much more compelling way. All right, then uh, give regular mock tests to see where you're going to lose marks and what is going to help you improve. All right, make sure you use correct spellings and grammar to solve this particular question type. So let's head on to alphapte.com and start solving. Now in our practice, you can switch between PTE Core and PTE Academic here, but since we are going to do PTE Core, we are going to switch back to PTE Core and go to summarize written text. Now, moon's oxygen. Let's try this one. Oxygen can be found in many of the minerals in the ground around us, and the moon is mostly made up of the same rocks you'll find on Earth, although with a slightly greater amount of material that came from meteors. Minerals such as silica, aluminium, and iron and magnesium oxides dominate the moon's landscape. All of these minerals contain oxygen, but not in the form our lungs can access. All right, let's skim through it quickly. Put energy. Commonly called alumina, why electrodes to separate the. So I think this second part, this part is not that important. We can focus on this. On the moon, the oxygen would be the main product, and the aluminum or other metal, we can skip this. Extracted would be potentially useful byproduct, so maybe we can add. So let's pick a few sentences and form a summary. All right, so I've copied the sentences, the first three sentences here, and let's see what we can do. The oxygen can be found in many of the minerals in the ground around us, and the moon mostly made of the same rocks you'll find on Earth. I removed this thing. Minerals such as silica, but this is like 58 words. We need to write 25 to 50 words. So many oxygen can be found in many of the minerals. Let's remove many of the minerals around us, and the moon is mostly made of the same rocks. Or I can say many of the minerals on Earth. I'll remove on Earth here, and around us I can make it on Earth. Oxygen can be found in many of the minerals on Earth, and the moon is mostly made up of the same rocks you'll find. Can say mostly made up of, let's say, minerals such as yes. So oxygen can be found in many of the minerals on Earth, and the moon is mostly made of minerals such as silica, aluminium, and iron and magnesium oxides, which dominate the moon's landscape. And all of these minerals contain oxygen, but not in the form our lungs can access. So I can remove this, and I can put a full stop there. All of these minerals contain oxygen, but not in a form our lungs can access. So there's 48 words. Let's skim through it very quickly before we submit. Okay, so I think it looks good. Let's submit. British. There we go. So oxygen, I've put all the main idea just here and there, and yeah, oxygen can be found in many of the minerals on Earth, and the moon is mostly made up of minerals such as silica, aluminium, and iron and magnesium oxides, which dominate the moon's landscape. Full stop. All of these minerals contain oxygen, but not in a form our lungs can access. So mostly content. All right. So yeah, that's how we do summarize written text in PTE Core. it's not very difficult. I can still use the same sentences, but here I didn't use the same sentences because the word limit was really long. And if I was removing a big chunk there, then the idea of the main sentence was like totally gone. The difficulty here is the word limit, because you have to write within 25 to 50 words, and you have to portray the main idea of the passage. You have to make a few changes sometimes when those sentences are short, you can just put the main sentences with the content, like the last sentence: all of these minerals contain oxygen but not in a form our lungs can access. I put it exactly as it is. I didn't make any change. I made the change only for the word limit, to make sure my word limit, my summary was within the word limit. So yeah, that is the only thing that you have to keep in mind, that you have to write within the word limit, and it should look like a summary. It should make sense at the end of the day. All right, so that's about today's video, guys. If you have any more doubts and queries, do not hesitate to contact us. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.